It's also about doing the right thing for your business, but also the right thing for Wales. So what's amazing about the National Botanics is we've been running our apprenticeship programme since 2015.
Mae yna ddau gyda ni ar hyn o bryd. Mae un wedi bod yn ni ers 2 flynedd, a mae'r llall yn dod i fewn blwyddyn ar hyn o bryd. Maen nhw'n gweithio mewn gwahanol adrannau o'r ardd ar hyn o bryd, a maen nhw'n cael eu gylchio rownd gwahanol adrannau o'r ardd drwy gydol flwyddyn.
Having an apprenticeship is good because it's like having a job, but at the same time it feels like maybe you're allowed to make mistakes and learn from those. So that's really nice, and it can help build your confidence as well then.
I knew for me that university wasn't the right thing for me straight after school, because I knew I wanted to be outside and learning practically, well, also earning. So the apprenticeship combines those two things.
Ar ddiwedd prentisiaeth, wyt ti wedi mwy neu lai creu unigolyn sy'n yn berffaith ar gyfer y roliau i ni yn cynnig yma fel gardwriaethydd.
So the benefit for us bringing on an apprenticeship is that we can basically pick the best of the crop, and that's really important for our future succession planning as we upskill the organisation as well. Our apprentices become part of that. They become very much a fixture in upskilling the team, but they bring a very kind of fresh take and also a different experience.
Mae'n bwysig bod ni'n hyfforddi'r genedlaeth nesaf i wynebu a ateb yr cwestiynau sda ni am golled bioamrywiaeth a newid hinsawdd, oherwydd yr genedlaeth nesaf fydd yn arwain y ffordd mewn chydig blynydde.
If you're considering taking on an apprentice, whether you're a business or third sector, I would definitely go for it. It brings a different vibe, a different energy. And it's also about doing the right thing for your business, but also the right thing for Wales.